Good afternoon. This is Thursday, March 19th. This is Lawler Davis Yamerton, just providing you with another quick update. As you're aware, yesterday the President invoked the Defense Production Act, which effectively, typically during wartime, would allow the President to compel industries to manufacture critical products a lot faster, ensure that they can get paid for those products, and just kind of speed up the level of production. That was done to try to help us catch up on the dire need for medical supplies, including masks, etc. So it was only appropriate that that act was in fact invoked. Also yesterday, we had the stimulus package for about $104 billion that was passed, which would provide additional unemployment benefits, also allow employers to pay for the paid sick leave. And lastly, it offers finally free coronavirus testing for anyone, where you can now get tested without having to come out of pocket. What we've got on the horizon is that $1 trillion package that you keep hearing about. About $500 billion of that is supposed to be earmarked for to get a $1,000 check sent to every American adult and $500 per child in their household. Should that pass, it is the administration's intent to have checks hitting people's pockets within 3 weeks after it's passed by Congress. If we're still in this emergency 6 weeks from the time that bill is passed, and they anticipate sending another round of $1,000 checks to every adult. The other $500 billion, $300 billion of that is supposed to go towards loans for businesses to be able to keep people employed during this time so that their payrolls can be met and so on and so forth. And then the last $200 billion is supposed to be for loans towards some of the critical industries that have been hard hit. These include the airline industries, hospitality, and so on and so forth. Again, this is Lawler Davis Yamerton. Thanks for listening.